Senator Susan Serino says she sides with parents, students, and teachers in the battle against Governor Cuomo and his hedge fund cronies. She claims she stands against the governor's damaging test and punish education agenda. But last year, hedge fund managers bought the New York State Senate for $4.1 million. These guys are rich, and they really want to close public schools and open privately run charter schools. The hedge funders financed Senator Serino's television ads that claimed her opponent would send money to schools in New York City. At the time, Senator Serino said she was with the community. But she and her leadership in the Senate aren't standing with the community. As a matter of fact, Majority Leader Senator Dean Skelos has created a $25 million slush fund that he plans to lavish on charter schools, the same schools hedge funders are backing. Meanwhile, in Poughkeepsie, the city school district had to cut full-day kindergarten to half-day because the state has not provided adequate funding. Has Senator Serino stood with the community? Is she with Poughkeepsie's youngest learners? Did she and fellow Republicans lose control of their conference? Call Senator Serino and tell her that it is unacceptable for her to hand over money to New York City charter schools when children in her district go without quality full-day kindergarten.